Good morning. I am going to do another Nightmare Before Christmas mystery unboxing. As you know, I had went back to Hot Topic because my previous video I spent a lot and I had some Hot Topic bucks. And so I went back and bought 3 more of these. I went back to Hot Topic right as the world was starting to go crazy. So definitely the Hot Topic store was pretty deserted, and then the next day they announced they were closed till the end of the month. So I'm glad I was able to go before my coupon expired. These boxes are normally, I think they're normally $29.95, and I got them for $12.50 with my coupon. And I also ended up getting this for personal. This is just a Beetlejuice ceramic teacup set. That was in the clearance section, and so I ended up getting this for $12.50, and I think that original price was $28.98. So some really good deals, but you know, Hot Topic's closed for now. See how everything goes. So I'm going to start with the first box. I really love my last box. I have a video up if you want to see that. I have several Hot Topic videos up. So anyway, first box. I'm hoping they're all different. Sometimes you get mystery, if you buy, unfortunately sometimes when you buy multiples of the same mystery box, sometimes they can be like a lot of the same. So I'm really hoping this is completely different from what I already have. So unfortunately, right off the bat, this looks just like my last box. So my last box had Sandy Claus. This was the racer I had. The Oogie Boogie dice, which actually is really, really cool. And then this is a mystery tin. If you remember last time I had the Jack in the Box. So let's hope we got something different, because otherwise I'm going to be really, really disappointed because I already have everything in the box. I don't mind getting more of the dice. This dice is pretty awesome, but I don't need 2 Sandy Claus. Oh, that's right, they did these stickers on the side. Try not to cut the tin, just the sticker. Ugh, oh my god. Just feeling it, it feels like the Jack in the Box. Yep, it's the Jack in the Box. So it is absolutely the same as my last mystery box. So disappointing. All right, wait, it goes this way. That was like that. How was that? Or maybe that was like that. It's like that. This goes like. Okay, whatever. It doesn't matter. All right. Let's get that out of the way. Let's open another one. Oh my god! No! It is exactly the same. Alright. Lesson learned. Don't buy multiples of this mystery box. I cannot believe it is going to be completely the same. Oh my goodness. Alright. Sandy Claus. I already got him. Exact same eraser and everything. So the only thing that could be different is this. I swear to goodness sake, if they're all the same, I am going to be so irritated. But you know what? That's the chance you take when you get mystery boxes. I just thought they'd be different. I haven't ever bought Funko mystery boxes before. Like this style, I've bought, of course, like the mystery minis. Yep. I'm not even going to open it. I already know what it is. Just feeling it. It is absolutely... It is the pumpkin Jack in the Box. All right, one more try. do like the cardboard boxes, but don't think they're worth $12.50 though. Oh, jeez Louise. Yep, exact same. All 3 boxes are exactly the same. It's the same racer. It is the same. All right, let's open this up. Pretty sure we know it's going to be the same, but I'll check it out anyway. Nope, I can just feeling it. I can absolutely tell it is the pumpkin. I'll cut it open anyway to show you guys, but yep, there you go. Now I have 3 duplicates of everything. Jeez Louise. Technically 4, because this is my 4th box. Alright, lesson learned. Don't buy more than 1 of these mystery boxes, because they're all the same. At least they were all. I don't know. Mine were all the same. This was the mystery box. Darn you, freaking Funko, and your mass production of everything. Does it say, here we go. Does it say everything will be the same? No, it doesn't say that. So the original price was $32.90. I got it for $12.50. But essentially I now have 4 of everything because I have 4 of these kits. It's fine. Honestly, there really wasn't anything else I wanted to buy. So I'll just sell my duplicates on eBay. What else am I gonna do? Thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you later.